Hello students, welcome back. Good wishes from CGAT Maths. Now in this video, we are going to study or obtain constant term and the coefficients of first cosine and sine terms in the Fourier expansion of y from below table. Okay. Student, try to understand this very carefully. They have asked to find out constant term and the coefficient of first cosine and sine terms. Okay. Now I am going to write the first Fourier series. Okay. As you know already that we are discussing practical harmonic analysis. In practical harmonic analysis, what will happen? We are going to find or the process of finding the constant term and the coefficients of the coefficients of first few cosine terms and sine terms numerically. Okay, now let's start. First I'm going to write the Fourier series, standard form of the Fourier series. Okay, f of x equal to, which is a0 by 2 plus summation n runs from 1 to infinity an cos. Student, look at here, you have a arbitrary period. Okay, look at the value of x here. X takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and observe here we are going to take n value is equal to 6 because 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. If I write less than or equal to here, so the value of y at x equal to 0 and 6 should be coincides. Okay, so one ವೇಳೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅವರು x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 6 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ y ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ as I told you in the last video, so we are going to discard any one of the value, either starting or ending value. Okay, so in generally, what is the Fourier series? Cos n pi x by l in case of arbitrary period, summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. This is bn sin pi nx by l. Students, so we will get a period, so we will get a what length of the interval here. What is the length of the interval? Length of the interval is, which is final value minus initial value. You need to equate this length to what? Standard 2l length, arbitrary length. So 6 equal to 2l means l value is equal to, you will get 3. Okay, fine. So now look at carefully. Okay, 1 minute. Student, fine. Now therefore the Fourier series becomes, get f of x is equal to a0 by 2 is the constant term. Okay, so substitute n equal to 1, okay, n equal to 1 and l equal to 3. So what you will get? a1 cos pi x by l by pi x by l value is 3, plus here also you can substitute n is equal to 1. So b1 sin n value is 1 pi x by. So this is called a Fourier series up to first harmonic. So we need to find out a constant term a0 by 2 and this a1 value and b1 value, student. Okay, so what is the value of a0 here, or before proceeding here, so we are also substituting this pi x by L is equal to, substitute this pi x by L is equal to some theta, therefore f of, okay, f of, now it will become in terms of a theta, or f of x you can write it as it is. So this is a naught by 2 plus a1 cos theta plus b1 sin theta. So now it is very easy. Now what is the value of a naught? A naught is equal to 2 by n summation of pi. What is a1? 2 by 1, 2 by n summation of y cos theta. Similarly, b1 is equal to 2 by n summation of y sin theta. Now let us construct a table first, then we can observe later. Okay, so first we can construct a table. Okay. Student, okay, fine. Now look at, now I'm going to write, this is thickness. Now this is x value, this is theta, which is pi x by 3, this is y value, and next we need cos theta, y cos theta, sin theta, y sin theta. So x takes the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now theta becomes, substitute x equal to 0, this will become 0. Substitute x equal to 1, you will get pi by 3. Pi by 3 is 60. So which is 2 pi by 3 is 120. 3 pi by 3 is 180. 4 pi by 3 is 240. And 5 pi by 3 is 300 degree. Okay. Now you can able to observe starting value is 0. Next value will get easy here by adding 60 to 300, will get 360. So both will coincide. For that we have taken only one value. So corresponding value of y are 9, 18, 24, 28, 26, 20. Okay. Next we are writing cos of cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, which is 0.5. Cos 120 is minus 0.5. Cos pi is minus 1. That is 180. Cos 240 is minus 0.5. Cos 300 is 0.5. I can multiply. 9 into 1 is 9. 18 into 0.5 is 9 again. This is 24 into minus 0.5 is minus 12. This is minus 28. 26 into minus 0.5 is minus 13. This is 10. 20 into 0.5 is 10. Okay, finally, what is sine of 0? Sine 0 is 0. Sine 60 is 0.866. Sine 120 is also 0.866. Sine 180 is 0. Sine 240 is minus 0.866. And 300 is also 0.866. Now you can multiply y into sin theta is, which is 0. So this will become a multiplication of 18 into 0.866 is 15.58. Again 24 into 0.866 is 20.784. This is 0. 28 into 0 is 0. 26 into minus 0.86 is minus 22.516. Next 20 into minus 0.866 is minus 17.32. Now let us add. On adding summation of y you will get 125. So summation of y cos theta you will get minus 25. Summation of y sin theta you will get it as a minus 3.464. Okay, now let us calculate the value of a naught, an, a1 and b1. Okay, now the value of a naught is equal to, is 2 by n value is 6, 2 by 6 into summation of y is 125, which is equal to 41.67. We need a naught by 2. So 41.67 divided by 2 is 20.835. Similarly, a1 is equal to 2 by 6 into summation of y cos theta is minus 25, which is equal to minus 8.333, and b1 is equal to 2 by 6 into minus summation of y sin theta is minus 3.464, which is equal to approximately minus 1.155. So finally, what is the constant term? The constant term is fine. Finally, I am going to write the constant term. The constant term is, it is a naught by 2 is 20.835, and the coefficient of cosine term. Coefficient of cosine term means a1. a1 is equal to minus 8.333. Similarly, the coefficient of sine term is minus 1.15. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next video.